Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Bob & Brett Rechargeable Hand Warmer. You can get this product on Amazon for about $37. Check out the link in the description. The hand warmer comes with a storage pouch, a hanging rope, a charging cable, and a user manual. The device has a power button and a battery and heating indicator light. If you press the power button twice, you see the remaining battery power. Long press the power button to turn on the hand warmer. If you press the power button again, you can change to a different heating mode. The hand warmer also works as a power bank, which you can use to charge your smartphone or other devices. You can charge the device with a Type-C or a micro USB cable. If you turn on the hand warmer, it heats up instantly and it gets pretty warm. I tested the device for a few days and I think it's a very nice product. It really helps with the cold weather and I love the fact that it also works as a power bank. So if you are looking for a portable, rechargeable hand warmer and power bank to survive the cold winter weather, I would recommend the Bob & Brett Rechargeable Hand Warmer. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.